Hello everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a recent request, somebody seen that I had driven by Latham Circle Mall in one of my videos. So they wanted to see the actual inside of the parking lot, just to kind of see what stores there were, what the actual environment was like, things like that. So we're driving up Route 9 right now, and we're going to take a left and go into the Latham Circle Mall parking lot. I probably will do a series of these videos so everybody can kind of see, what their shopping centers or what shopping centers are like in certain areas. If you would like to request an area for us to drive by, please email us. The description will be in the link below or on our main page in the About section. All right, everybody have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.